Hello crafters, Charee Filimoehala here with my sister Aimee, and we are here to announce Graphic 45's 2025 kit programs. We have a lot of fun in store for you this year.
That's right, Charee. Not only do we have one, not two, but 3 kit programs lined up that we're so excited about. Not only are these great for those seasoned crafters out there, but also for beginners alike. So let's dive into the new kit program. First up, let's talk about the 3 types of kits, what you get, and why you want each of them. First, the album kit. Perfect for creating stunning albums with step-by-step guidance. 2, the card kit. Designed for making beautiful cards for all occasions. 3, the Keepsake Quarterly Kit, our newest edition. Delivering unique crafting experiences with metal dies and card inspiration 4 times a year.
The album kit and card kit are going to feature Graphic 45's new collections. You won't miss out on any of our new designs with those. And the Keepsake Quarterly Kit is going to bring back Graphic 45's bestsellers reimagined. All 3 of the kits are going to feature exclusive products that you won't be able to get elsewhere, as well as great project inspiration and fun ideas. Now let's talk about the benefits of becoming a subscriber. There's 5 different benefits for being a subscriber. The first one's going to be that you're going to get 10% off of all of your other Graphic 45 purchases.
Nice.
The second one is going to be that you're going to get kits shipped directly to you, so you're never going to miss out on our new products and projects. 3, you're going to get kit exclusive products that you're not going to be able to find elsewhere. 4, you're going to get free shipping on the album kits, the combo kit, and the trio. So if you're a subscriber to anything except for the card kit, you're going to get free shipping in the lower United States, which is a great deal.
Such a great deal.
And 5 is you can cancel anytime.
Plus, if you're a subscriber to the trio kit, not only do you get 10% the first time you sign up on all of the kits, you're going to get a 10% discount on all of the kits going forward. So it's such a great value, and it's our way of saying thank you for being a part of our value community.
So let me show you a sample of what you'd get in an album kit. This is our Season to Celebrate album kit that is currently available. And with that album kit, we got the album here. Of course, the instructions, a 12 by 12 collection pack. You get 2 sheets of those double-sided designs, 3 different embellishments to work with, a zip top bag to store all those goodies in. And then here's what we created with that project sheet and all of these samples. We have this fun album that opens right up, and we've got some interactive details and designs, some belly bands to slip in your photos. This one is great at celebrating all the seasons and months all year long. Got some pockets and even tags that fold out. Of course, this is what we have created with these supplies, but you can use your creativity, your imagination, and create anything you can dream up with those supplies. Here's an example of what you're going to get in a card kit. This is our Season to Celebrate card kit that is now available. Of course, you get that step-by-step project sheet that's going to walk you through how to create these gorgeous cards. You're also going to get some embellishments for decorating, the cards and envelopes, a zip top bag. The card kit will always come with the 8x8 papers. That in this one, you get 24 sheets, some more embellishments, and then let me show you just a couple of these gorgeous little bouquet pop-up cards. These are great for sitting on your tabletops or mantles. And how fun are these sayings? They can really celebrate all the different seasons. With the Keepsake Quarterly Kit, of course, you're gonna get that exclusive metal die. Look how gorgeous this one is for that first Let It Be kit. Gotta love it. As well as an assortment of exclusive embellishments. The full paper kit that includes not only all of the double-sided
12 by 12 sheets, but also the patterns and solids, the project sheet with card inspiration. Look how gorgeous these cards are. Here's the A2. This is the step-by-step card that you'll have instructions on how to create that gatefold using those beautiful dies and all the pieces from this collection. Here's a little sneak peek of what's to come in February, featuring our Curiouser and Curiouser album. Look how gorgeous these projects are. I absolutely just love these cards. And check out this album. Make sure you subscribe to our channel so you are first to know when these items have dropped.
Ready to join the fun? Here's how to get started. Purchase kits a la carte if you want to try one out, or become a subscriber. You can subscribe to each of these kits individually, or you can do the combo subscription, where you're going to get the card kit and the album kit sent directly to your door. You get 8 of those a year. Or for the best value, you can do the trio subscriber. We're going to save 10% on all 3 kits, and you're going to get these delivered to your door each month. It's the ultimate way to stay inspired and create all year long. To pick up these kits or become a subscriber, go to our website, g45papers.com.
We're so excited to bring you these kits for 2025 and can't wait to see the creations you come up with.
And be sure to share your projects with us by tagging Graphic 45 on social media. We love to see what you create. And of course, if you're looking for more great inspiration, become a subscriber of our YouTube channel and hit that notification bell so you know every time we upload a new video. Be sure to like and comment. Let us know what you think of the different programs, which one you're the most interested in. We want to hear from you.
Happy paper crafting, everyone.
Happy paper crafting.